On the last day.
Jesus, is this not blood? Huh? What happened?
School Petunia. Oh, Mwemu. Patube. Ogbosko. What are you guys doing outside?
We are playing.
Very good. I have to go to work now. Time have go. Do you understand?
Okay.
I'll buy something for you guys.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay.
What are you supposed to doing outside?
We are playing.
Oh yeah, get up, take your younger ones inside, find them something to eat and prepare them for school. I'm going to the market.
Okay.
Hello, children.
Yes.
How you guys doing now? Oh, I can see you guys can play, right?
Yes.
Okay. Where's your dad and your mom?
They are not at home.
Oh, they are not at home.
Yes.
I should join you guys to play now. Let's play together.
Yes.
Okay, come, let me play with you. You guys will play.
Okay.
Be a God of mercy. Hey! But at least, before we look for money, the children we want to take care of with the money, we should always make sure they are in proper hands.
Oh shit, I don't like shit.
Big pack of Fontana!
Hey, shall I see Baba? Let me flourish Baba. Let's go, John. Let's go. See my John Thomas standing on his own. Abegi called me, rushing down to her home. She want to give me fried rice. She want to give me jollof. She open something. I come see overload. Abegi, caterpillar, bullion van. Abegi, caterpillar, overload. Heavy duty, duty booty.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
You are very beautiful. What are you doing? You are buying something.
And so?
Don't worry, collect this. I'll do the payment.
In fact, come, let me tell you something.
Just tell me you love me.
Love who?
Me, of course.
You are such a wicked person.
School Petunia.
I witnessed what just happened.
Is your Piotr code?
Yes.
Bring it down, it's good, it's good.
I know I've changed.
You don't have change? Go and look for change now. Check around if you see change. Nya. Why do you not take a cab or take a vehicle to see if you can get change? Okay, you don't have change, Abi?
No.
You don't have change. Come on, go.
Why me?
You want me to leave my hard itinerary for you? Nonsense. Can't be going.
Why me?
Wait, instead of you to just leave that money for her, you had to spill the water. That's the highest rate of wickedness. Give help to those that need it. Do you understand? As for me, I don't need your help.
School Petunia.
Paujo, good morning.
Well done, though.
My husband, my sweetheart, cupcake, honey bunny. Papa Ojo, where are we going today?
I know it's because of this money that you saw. That's why you are calling me all those names.
But you're my husband now.
You see this money? I want to use it to buy a gift to wish WF Perry Blinks happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, WF Perry Blinks. We wish you long life and prosperity.
But Papa Ojo, I'm your wife now.
Next year, you can buy her some gifts.
Okay, oh. Happy birthday to you, oh, husband, sister. Papa Ojo, nothing for you this night.
School Petunia. But why?